Here are all the Amazon products I like and actually use at my house. This retractable hose reel, you can see it gets some abuse out here in the sun, but it's made by Giraffe Tools and it works really good. It catches enough for my wife to water the plants, no problem. And I always get asked how it's mounted. I just put a 4x4 in the ground and then just mounted it and painted it black. But hey, if you get this, go get the metal bracket. This is a plastic one, still works, but they have a metal bracket that doesn't bend in the sun like that one does. And then coming over here to the front porch, mined all the dirt. We had a pretty good storm last night. These polywood rocking chairs, hands down the best. I need to get the little table here, but these things are awesome. So my wife loves the retractable hose reel, but this is my favorite just because it looks so clean. Like that thing's been out here a couple years and it looks brand new still. And here's something that has sold like hotcakes last time I mentioned it, is this quick disconnect. Whoa. But yeah, it works very similar to a air compressor hose. Yeah, easy on, easy off. I get asked all the time about the security cameras I use around my house. I have Reolink. I like them because the app is super easy and I literally have these cameras everywhere. So Reolink is my go-to. Let's see if there's the other one over there. And then coming into the garage, I have Giraffe Tools air compressor hose on a reel. And then the extension cord on a reel. And inside the cabinet here, I got this little light that everyone loves. It's magnetic and then rechargeable. And this DeWalt blower, I use the shit out of this thing to blow out the garage and around the entire house. And this is what the air compressor or the air compressor hose is connected to. Just this little pancake compressor and does the job. This thing right down here. So that's what it sounds off when someone pulls in the driveway. And I got this Smart Wings smart shades. So these go down with sunrise and sunset. I also have one here in the laundry room. I could show you a closer look. They do the trick. They're not super high end like Lutron or anything, but I have them around my house. They're a little noisier than most, but I like them. They work. And then as we make our way in the bathroom, this makeup mirror is hands down my wife's favorite. Turn that on, you get a little light like you get in the hotel room, and you don't have to hardwire anything behind the wall, so that's why we like it so much. Go ahead and show them, Kippy. She added the LED lights right here, and they're a specific type of LED because it looks subtle all the way across. It doesn't have individual lights shining down like some of the other LEDs do. And I was waiting for this to turn off in the laundry room. So one of my favorite gadgets come in here, and then the light automatically turns on because of this occupancy sensor. Awesome, awesome feature. I think everyone should have one of these in their house. In the laundry room, closets, any other place that just needs an automatic light to turn on. And speaking of light switches, we have Lutron light switches. If you're going smart light switches, just go Lutron. You will not be disappointed. So I do prefer these Diva switches more. I'll show you the other option. These ones over here, there's just too many buttons. I like this Diva switch where it has the physical dimmer. All right, onto the cleaning closet. Check this out. So another occupancy sensor switch automatically turning on. Look at this thing. What does this remind you of? High school, where they're cafeteria, they're cleaning up the floors. Do the whole house a quick little dust mop in no time. Love this thing. And then Timco vacuum and mop, like both of those, have them everywhere. And for all you nerds out there, this is my mini network room setup. I got the Eero router. All right, here's another one of my faves. So Snap Power makes this built-in nightlight that goes on these outlet plates. Literally all you gotta do is change out the screw, put on a new plate, good to go. And my next update is gonna be robot vacuum. So had the Narwhal last few years, it's done us very well, but I'm just looking to upgrade. So I think I'm gonna go Robo Rock. If you guys have any suggestions, just shoot them to me in a DM, I'd like to hear it. Package box, had this out here for a couple years now. It's just a storage container. And then I just added this sign on the front. And old trusty here, I know you've seen me post about it before, but it's a driveway alarm. You can see it's been around the block, held up for like more than 3 years now. And then it sends off an alarm inside my house when people show up. And then we got this cellular camera. So it uses your cell phone plan, or you can buy a separate data card and it'll operate and connect to all your Reolink cameras that you have on your phone.